Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to Building Blocks 360 Gaming. We're playing some Counter-Strike Source. Here with my buddy, as always, Mr. Man.
Mr. Man.
You say that every time?
Well, that's our intro.
Sure, why not? Be very... Oh, crap! I never bought anything, so this is gonna be so unfair.
No, wait, let me do the ooh,
I'm running.
liar.
Come on.
Where are you? Do you like Kermit the Frog?
Oh! What? I killed you with the starting pistol. How does that feel?
I don't know. Oh, you're using the starting pistol. Okay, I was using the Black Hawk. Or
I know that is so OP.
Wait, dude. Do you know who's Kermit the Frog?
Yeah, Kermit the Frog.
Do you like him or you don't like him?
Why wouldn't I like him? He's Kermit the Frog.
Imagine if someone talks like him. Would you like?
Oh no, I know some people who actually talk like him.
Nothing.
That sounds more like Yoda.
Yeah.
So where is you?
I don't know. I'm nowhere.
True. But at the same time, false.
Did someone just flush the toilet? I just heard the sound effects of it.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know where you were at.
I'm nowhere.
You know, reveal yourself at once, or suffer my wrath. Of my starting pistol.
Dude, someone just flushed the toilet again.
Well, I don't know where you're at, but...
Oh, did I not hit you?
Oh!
Hell yeah, the weird face just win the game.
Hey!
I
ran out of money. Okay, let's buy a shotgun.
Dude, go to the bathroom and hear, like, can you hear closely?
Well, no, I'm thinking that this is gonna be a trap now.
No, like, go to the bathroom. Like, no, seriously. Where are you? Oh. What? At the same shotgun. Okay, go to the bathroom. Oh.
Okay, I'm going to the bathroom, Let's go. I'm trying to listen. So. Oh! We have a friend!
Oh, god damn it.
Or an enemy, depending on who he joins.
You can, like, host a server and make it private.
I know, but this is fun, because then you get to meet new people. Where's the bathroom at?
It's like in, like, I don't know, in the middle of the hallway.
Middle of hallway. Which hallway? Oh, this one. Restroom. I don't hear it.
I think you gotta hear it longer.
Oh, well. It was at this moment that Building Blocks 360 realized he was dead. Well, thanks for scaring the crap out of me. Okay, for all of my viewers out there, I would like you to know that now that he has a, AK-47, we should basically leave, because that's all he's gonna do.
But why? You got other weapons. Like that shotgun right there. Ooh.
That was a bad shot.
Oh my god, oh. That like went in through my face. Ah.
See? That's all he does.
Alright, wanna do shotgun fights?
No.
Oh wait, no, wait, sniper fight.
Sniper fight? Sure, why not?
Is it the scout?
Yeah, no. It's the bullpup.
Okay, I needed you to kill me because I can feel it. Alright, wanna do sniper fight?
What?
Wanna do the scout? See who's
If I can buy this, I still can't buy this. Oh wait, yeah, I can.
no scope only.
I can buy the scout. No scope only?
Yeah.
No, that's gonna be impossible.
Right you?
No, you're allowed to no scope, but you can also quick scope.
Did I hit you?
Yeah, you hit me.
Oh, I'm quick scoping right now. Trick shot. Oh my god! Oh my god!
What did you do?
Oh my god, that was a beautiful quick scope.
Da 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 da. I spent all of my money. I'm just letting you know that.
Wow. Why?
So I could get the scout.
Okay. Wait. Ooh, I almost died. Ooh, fuck it. Oh! Hard. I didn't hit you. Wait, I'm reloading. You hit me. I'm 7% of health right now.
What a cheater. Ugh. And yes, I did copy that from my Gmod video. Those of you who listen.
No. That's cheating. That's cheating. No pistol. No cheating.
Sorry, I needed the money because then I wouldn't be able to actually get the rifle in the first place.
Hey, you're a world heavyweight champion. You gotta be ready for anything.
I'm not a world heavyweight champion. The reason I do that is because it always like oh wait, I still have the scout. Never mind. Oh.
Right, you?
In your faith. Alright, are we gonna do more sniper fight?
Magnum snapper fight.
Oh, Magnum sniper fight? Oh. Why Magnum sniper fight?
It's the same thing, so it's sniper.
Sure.
Come on, man, you gotta be ready for anything. You're a SWAT.
I'm not a SWAT. I'm a fly.
Dude, it didn't sound any gunshots. It's just like a broken glass. I didn't even. What?
Did I get you?
No. I'm not even hitting you. I'm like hitting you directly at you. Wait. Reloading. Wait.
Me too. Alright.
Dude, with this money, I could buy my own gaming PC. Or I can buy you an Xbox One. What do you think?
Buy me the Xbox One.
Hell yeah. $11,700.
Do you see me?
No. What? What happened?
I saw you.
Oh, you saw me?
Yeah, I shot you. Well, I shot at you. I didn't shoot. Headshot. Let's go.
Let's go.
Now that was a good shot. Alright. Let's go, mate. Aw, you camper.
I was just waiting for you because you were camping in the same.
I was not camping there. I was actually waiting. For
Well,
just
that's
like...
camping.
Okay, I worded that wrong. I wasn't camping. I just managed to get up there, and then you were just sitting there like a duck.
Oh, okay. I hate you.
I had armor on. I had armor on, so it like reduced some of the blast.
Alright, I have one. Oh no, I didn't buy any sniper. Wait. There we go.
What sniper are you gonna use?
Magnum. I love the Magnum.
Oh, me too.
I love the Magnum. It's just like the DSR 50.
Are you gonna try a different plan of attack?
Hey, you! I see blood on
This is intense.
Are you no-scoping or something?
No, I'm actually like quick scoping a little. I mean it's like impossible to do a no scope if they're right in front of if they're not right in front of you. I was zoomed in my scope. I could see any.
I'm done playing games. Let's go.
Okay. Wait, you weren't playing games? I'm gonna go for a different plan of attack. Okay, never mind.
Why?
Because that led to nowhere.
Who are you?
I thought I was actually gonna go somewhere, but then I found out it was a dead end.
Oh, okay. Get the shit out of me.
Is it worse than Emily wants to play?
Oh yes. No, Emily is worse. She's just run. Wait, have you even heard of that game before?
Well, first of all, you're constantly asking me to watch your video on it.
Oh, why you keep? I heard an elevator.
Ay caramba.
Oh! Yeah, fuck you. Oh.
Alright. I think we're gonna leave this off here. I don't know what the score was. Did you count, Enrique?
So you have 8 death, 9 score. I have 8 score, 9 death.
So...
You won.
I won?
Yeah.
Hooray!
I was almost
won.
a draw.
Yeah, it was. Okay, one final round.
What? Oh my god!
Wow. Alright. Hold on, we gotta do our outro. Okay? Let's go to the office. Like, you know, oh wait. This map is the office. Let's go to the room that has the presentation in it. And then we'll do our outro there. Oh, wrong way. This way. Alright. Time to do our outro.
Dude, give me a second. Let me destroy this crappy computer. Okay, let's go. It only has 1 gigabyte, so.
Let's do the outro.
Hostage down. Counter-terrorists win.
I win! See you guys later.